Takes us straight to our library's main page, which is the David search. Over to the right, you see databases. Go ahead and click that. And then that's going to take you to all the databases we have. Alexander Street Press is located under Music. And so, as you can see, we have a number of databases available. Naxos, you see that, Oxford Music Online, which is the Grove. We have Realm. We're looking for the Alexander Street Press, and most of these belong to that group. Currently we're going to look at streaming audio, so this is Classical Music Library. Click on View the Database, and there you are. And that gets you to the main search page. It's straightforward, simple. To search for anything in here, you can do a search in the box. Say we're looking for Vespers. Here you see Rachmaninoff, Grachaninoff. A number of different settings. Choose your different recordings. Some nice recordings are found here in the Alexander Street family. Notice you have 20 different pages of recordings as well. So let's say we're going to look at this Carmelite Vespers. As you can see, you have all of the track lists here. Pause that. You have your track list. You can jump to the different tracks, which is very nice. Or you can see the track list here at the top as an image file. You can jump anywhere into this recording. So if you know what track you're looking for, you can jump ahead, jump back. Much easier. Okay. A couple of other things that you might want to be able to do is create a playlist. Add to playlist. Now, to do so, you do need to sign in, and that's going to be a private login that you decide. It's not connected with the seminary. But you can do that. You can also save a collection. One thing you might want to do is embed a link into a Blackboard class or into an email. And so if you choose embed link, you'll be given a permalink and a way to embed it for your website. You want the permalink because that means that regardless of when the file is accessed, it will be available unless Alexander Street Press has a major issue or unless our servers are down. So if you highlight that and then copy it, Control C, then you can go to Facebook or your Blackboard course and paste it, make it available to students. They can click on that and it'll take them exactly to this recording. And that's how you use the streaming audio of Alexander Street Press.